In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign an access point to a camera. First, head over to the ButterflyMX.com website and click the Sign In button. From there, select Admin or Property Staff and enter your email address and password. Once you are logged in, select the specific building you would like to manage. Then look at the left-hand side of your dashboard and navigate to the Camera Management tab. Inside this tab, you will see all the cameras currently installed at your building. In our case, we have 3 cameras, and we are going to set up access points for each of them. Next, click on Camera Hardware to view your list of cameras again. Under the Access Points column, you will see dashes if a camera has not yet been assigned. If an access point is already assigned, you will see its corresponding number. To change this, press Edit, select Access Point, choose the specific access point you would like to link to the camera, and press Save. Once the access point is successfully assigned to the camera, you'll be able to view a footage for every single door release made at the building. If you wish to check this out, simply navigate to Door Releases and select the specific entry you would like to review. Under that log, you will see a photo or a video of the person entering the building. Just press play, and the short video recording will be visible. If you require any additional assistance, please don't hesitate to contact the ButterflyMX support team. Thanks for watching.